This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the device. Enable airplane mode and turn off Wi-Fi and cellular to stop data exfiltration. Next, make a quick encrypted backup to iCloud or to a trusted computer. This preserves photos and messages while preventing contaminated backups. Then check Settings General Software Update and install the latest iOS updates patch exploited vulnerabilities. Once done, force quit unfamiliar apps and note any processes or battery spikes so you know what to remove next. You now remove the likely sources, delete any unfamiliar apps, and go to Settings General VPN and Device Management to remove unknown configuration profiles. These often grant persistent access. Clear Safari history and website data to drop malicious cookies and scripts. Sign out of iCloud, then change your Apple ID password from a secure device. Revoke sessions for devices you don't recognize. Make sure to restart the iPhone after these steps to terminate lingering background services and recheck battery and data usage. To finish, perform a factory reset. Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone erase all content and settings, then restore only from a backup you made before infection or a fresh clean backup. This ensures the Trojan is removed. After restore, enable Face ID or Touch ID, set a strong alphanumeric passcode, and turn on Apple two-factor authentication to prevent re-entry. If the device was jailbroken or the malware survives, contact Apple support or use recovery mode with a trusted computer. This troubleshooting step solves deeper compromises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.